Glorify the King. That home, I lived on the bottom section for about a year, close to a year and a half. Then I went back to First Caribbean International Bank, borrowed a little more money to build the top section. Now I only owe First Caribbean $370,000. And on the 45th day that Justice Evans told me that I must turn possession of this property over to the First Caribbean International Bank, sir, my side of that case was not heard. There's nothing in the records where I was given a chance to defend myself according to the Bahamian Constitution. I promise you, sir, on this day, the 18th day of June, I also asked for the transcript in respect to the case, to that particular case, the case against Amos Jr. Miller, Tiffany Patricia Miller, and the First Caribbean International Bank in respect to this property. Now, in your ruling, sir, you mentioned nothing, like they mentioned nothing, about the collateral, my land in Johnson Road that was used for collateral. I have asked Justice Milton Evans, clerk, and his secretary for the transcript of that case and the preferred order so I can prepare a defense in respect to my constitutional right to an appeal. I'm not going to be railroaded for this property. I asked Justice Milton Evans on the 27th of May 2013 to give this property to my ex-wife and children. He refused. He refused because I said the young lady and her attorney came into his court that he knew in respect to those documents, in my humble opinion, what the deal was from day one. Justice Milton Evans, you brought me before that court because they petitioned you. Period. Sir, the Chief Justice, Sir Michael Barnett, petitioned and summoned me also in 2011, September 13th to be exact. I would like to also soon go and get the transcript of what was said in those meetings. I'm a Bahamian. I'm Willis Miller's son, grandson, oldest son of his second son. And my father's still alive. My mother's still alive. When I came here, all of these coconut trees were planted by me, every last one by my hand. So to say I did not work for this land, I absolutely did. Am I not able, if granted and given an opportunity in respect to culture, to showcase my talent for the world like I have done since I knew the Bahamas government was about to railroad my Bahamian brothers and sisters over every drop of our natural resources. Now that tree is a mangola tree out front. That's the only tree that were planted by Mr. Bell. It's almost equal and tall as the roof. That's a mangola tree. That's the only tree we're here. Now there's almost, I'll have to double check, almost 60 coconut trees on this property. I planted them there. I did not have the talent I have today. That's what I was explaining to Justice Milton Evans.